How does salt water work in treating yeast infections?
In this video, we will discuss how salt water can be used as a treatment for yeast infections. We will cover the science behind this remedy, its effectiveness, and how to use it safely. Let's get started.
What is a yeast infection?
A yeast infection, also known as candidiasis, is caused by an overgrowth of the fungus Candida. This fungus naturally exists in our bodies, but an imbalance can lead to an infection. Common symptoms include itching, burning, and discharge.
How does salt water help?
Salt water has antifungal properties that can help in treating yeast infections. The high concentration of salt in the water creates an environment that is inhospitable for the growth of Candida, ultimately killing the yeast cells and alleviating symptoms.
Is salt water effective?
While salt water is a popular and affordable home remedy for yeast infections, its effectiveness varies from person to person. It is essential to note that severe or persistent infections should be treated under the supervision of a healthcare professional.
How to use salt water for yeast infections?
1. Dissolve 1 to 2 tablespoons of non-iodized sea salt in 1 cup of warm water. 2. Cleanse the affected area with a salt water solution using a clean cloth or cotton pad. 3. Air dry the area or gently pat it dry with a clean towel. 4. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times a day for mild infections.
Are there any precautions to consider?
Always use non-iodized sea salt to avoid irritation. Do not use salt water as a treatment for severe or chronic yeast infections without consulting a healthcare professional. Discontinue use if the salt water causes increased irritation or discomfort. Salt water can be an effective home remedy for treating mild yeast infections due to its antifungal properties. However, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional for severe or persistent infections. Always follow the recommended steps and precautions to ensure safe and effective use of this natural remedy.